If you're looking for some easy dressings and sauces, I've got 5 no oil ones for you, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. The Starch Solution is a program that was developed by Dr. John McDougall, and on his program I was able to lose those last 15 pounds. On my channel, you're going to find whole food, plant-based, no oil, gluten-free recipes. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell because I do post videos every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Instagram at Chew on Vegan for more plant-based content. And if you're new to this way of eating, or maybe you just feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group, and there you will find like-minded people, recipes, inspiration, and support. And if you're still not convinced that a plant-based diet is right for you, I created a quick little e-guide that explains the benefits of a plant-based diet. And if you want even more information, sign up for my newsletter. It comes out every other month. And in my newsletter, I do address different topics. Some are from a nursing perspective. You'll find some tips, some tricks, and some recipes. I will leave a link to all these resources in the description box below. Please check out my description box. You'll find lots of resources for all kinds of information that will help you on your plant-based journey. So as I said in the intro, I'm going to be showing you 5 sauces and or dressings today. These are super easy, no oil, all but one. You don't even need a blender or anything. And you can use these dressings and sauces on all kinds of things. It really adds a lot of variety to your dishes. Now, I did a 3-part series on simplifying the Starch Solution, and I will leave a link to that down below. In part 1, I talked about how to start the Starch Solution or any plant-based diet. And what I said was you need a starch, you need a veggie, and a sauce. So today I'm going to show you some sauces that you can use on your 50-50 plates or anything you want. So let's get started. The first dressing I'm going to start with is a maple tahini dressing. One is very easy. I'm starting with the easiest ones first and then move up to ones that are still easy but just have a few more ingredients. So we're going to start with tahini, of course. And I love to save all my little jars just to make these dressings in. It's a great way to recycle, reuse your jars. So we're gonna start with my tahini, and I like this Mighty Sesame Company tahini because it's pourable, because I don't like messing with those jars of tahini where you've got to stir it up and it's just a mess. This is great. And this is organic, and you're supposed to shake it well, so I will. So we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of tahini. And you can get this on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it. It just makes it way easier to use the pourable. And then we're going to use a tablespoon of maple syrup. And then just a little squeeze of lemon, not a lot. And then I like to just add a pinch of salt, and that's absolutely optional. And then we just shake it up. And this dressing is amazing on salads. I use it all the time. If you want it a little thinner, feel free to add some water, and that will thin it out a bit. I just want to show you I added a tablespoon of water, so it comes out a little thinner. So that's an option for you as well. Our second recipe is a smoky honey mustard. You can use it for dipping your fries in, on a salad, whatever you want. And this one's super easy as well. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. A tablespoon of mustard. I use Dijon. You can use whatever kind you'd like. And then we're just going to add a couple drops of liquid smoke, and I mean a couple drops. A little goes a long way. And then you just stir it up. And of course, course, taste it, and if you want to adjust anything, maybe you want more mustard, maybe you want more maple syrup, maybe you want some more liquid smoke. Totally customizable. Next, I'm making the 3-2-1 dressing, and now you can use regular balsamic vinegar in this, but what I love to do is to use flavored vinegars, and this one is one of my favorites. It's a peach white balsamic from California Balsamic. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can get your own bottle, but they have all kinds of different flavors, and if you want to change up this 3-2-1 dressing, get some flavored vinegars. They are well worth the price. And these are especially great for the summer to have these different flavored vinegars. So I've made this for you before, but I'll show you again. 3 tablespoons of the vinegar, whatever flavor you like. You could also just use balsamic. 2 tablespoons of mustard. I'm using Dijon, you can use whatever kind you want. And a tablespoon of maple syrup. Then we shake it up and that's it. And there you have it. And this is a great salad dressing. Next is barbecue sauce. Now we have a lot more ingredients here, but it's still so easy to make. And everything just goes in a bowl. You don't have to cook it or anything. So this is perfect. So we're gonna start with tomato paste. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. Maple syrup. About 3 tablespoons. And you can adjust that to the sweetness you like. And then a teaspoon of vinegar. I'm using white vinegar. You could use apple cider vinegar. Then a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, garlic powder, excuse me, that was onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, 1/8 of a teaspoon of liquid smoke, and then just a little squeeze of lemon. Then we just whisk it together. And that is it. You've got a beautiful barbecue sauce. Now, if you want this more tangy, you could add more vinegar, sweeter, add more maple syrup. Again, totally customizable. So next we're gonna be doing a smoky Southwest dressing. And this is gonna go into your bullet. And we're gonna start with a 1/4 cup of cashew powder. I really like using cashew powder because it's a lot less fat. And you can get this on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box. 1 teaspoon tahini, 3/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, and then a 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, cumin, and salt. 2 teaspoons vinegar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon maple syrup. I'm gonna go blend this up. And there you have your smoky Southwest dressing. This is great on bowls, especially ones that have black beans, red pepper, corn. Oh, it's really good. So that's it for the 5 dressings / sauces today. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some ideas. And as you can see, things don't need to be complicated. Few ingredients, some spices, and you've got sauces. And one sauce, you could add something different to it, like the tahini sauce. You could add some barbecue sauce in there, and then you'd have a barbecue tahini sauce. I've showed you that one before. So just be creative and just try things out. You'd be surprised what you come up with. So just keep it simple. It's the key to consistency. If things are simple, you will stick with it and you will be able to enjoy this lifestyle for the rest of your life. So if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with sauces and then I know that you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, if you got value out of it, you found it helpful, please give me a like. That helps YouTube know that you want more of these kind of videos, and I really appreciate your support. Remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. Okay, that's fair enough. You can also follow me on You can also follow me. And these dressings can be used in a multiple different. I can't handle it. I can't handle it. Why? Yeah, this is just driving me insane. Not good. Okay, whatever. Next I'm gonna make. Oh dear, I made a mess.